Sometimes, as a tour operator, you want to add something special to your website. Maybe a YouTube video that shows your tours, a booking button in the middle of an article, a map of your office, or even a pricing table for your packages. The regular editor doesn't always give you these options. That's where the raw HTML block comes in. The raw HTML block lets you paste small pieces of code to add buttons, videos, maps, and more in a simple way without extra tools or complicated steps. Before we look at examples, let me quickly show you how to add the raw HTML block. When you're editing any page in Tripcart, just click the plus icon where you want to add something. From the block options, choose Raw HTML. This gives you a blank area where you can paste your code. After adding your code, save your changes and preview to see how it will look on the live page. You can use the raw HTML block on any page in the same way. To show you how flexible it is, I'll walk through examples on 3 pages: an article page, an About Us page, and a tour page. Since I am already on the article page, let's add a YouTube video. For example, if you wrote about the Mustang Trek, you could embed a highlight video inside the article. To get the code, go to your YouTube channel and the desired video. Right-click on the video and choose the option Copy Embed Code. Now paste that into the raw HTML block and save your changes. Let's see how it appears on the live website. The video is showing up perfectly. Now let's add a custom button. Again, click the plus button and choose Raw HTML. For this example, I am adding WeTravel. You can find the button code inside your WeTravel account under the Embed or Share option, or you can also use any other software. Let's preview it. You can see it is clean, and when clicked, it links directly to the booking page. Now let's move to the About Us page. Here, I'll add a simple Google map to show the office location. To get the map code, go to Google Maps and search for your office. Then, click on the Share option, which provides an embed code. It appears as a short iframe snippet. Just copy and paste it into the raw HTML block. Preview the changes. That's how you can add a Google map on any page in a similar process. Next is the tour page. On a tour page, the raw HTML block becomes really useful. You can add a map, videos, a button table, and many other valuable features. For this example, let me add a pop-up. Many marketing tools like MailChimp, OptinMonster, or SleekNote provide you with a small script. It typically appears as a block of JavaScript code. You just need to paste it inside the raw HTML block, and the pop-up will automatically appear when visitors open the page. For this example, I'll add a pop-up using ShortStack. Once you've designed your pop-up in ShortStack, it gives you a short JavaScript code snippet. All you have to do is copy that code and paste it into the raw HTML block on your tour page. As soon as you save your changes, the pop-up will be active and ready to engage your visitors. You'll now see the ShortStack pop-up appear automatically when the tour page loads. It could show up in the middle of the screen or slide in from the corner, depending on the layout you chose. If you want to add something similar to your homepage, the process is a little different. Let me show you how to do it. From your dashboard, click on Website Builder. This will take you to the Builder page. Under the Content section, look for the Add Pre-designed Block tab. Click it, and on the left sidebar, you'll see the option for HTML block. Click on it, and on the right side, you will see HTML block default. Hover over on it and click Insert. You'll see the block appear on the left side. Click it and paste your code inside. It could be a video, a contact form, a map, or any other content. For this example, I've created a pop-up form in HubSpot. Inside HubSpot, go to your form settings, open the Share tab, and you'll see an option called Embed Code. Just copy that small code snippet. Now come back to your Tripcart dashboard and paste it inside the HTML block. Save your changes, and you'll see the HubSpot pop-up form appear right on your homepage, ready for visitors to interact with. And that's how the raw HTML block works in Tripcart. It's a simple way to add buttons, videos, maps, pop-ups, or even forms anywhere on your site. You don't need to be technical, just copy and paste the codes provided by your tools, preview, and publish. With the raw HTML block, you can make your website more flexible, more engaging, and more helpful for your travelers. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe for more Tripcart guides and tutorials, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to cover next.